everybody, we got another unpackaging for you. This is the Anker 6-pack. This ain't a full pack, this ain't an 8-pack, this is 6-pack. Powerline cord, I don't know. Micro USB. Yeah, micro USB to micro USB A, right? Right. Whatever. Anyways, we're gonna be opening it up. Take two. Okay. We're gonna be opening it up with this thing right here. This is a lighter case that we got in a previous unboxing of a kind of box. We got this thing right here. Bam. We'll take this side because I don't want you to know where I live. Open this up. I probably should not have did that. See what we got here. Got some paperwork. Some order details. This is what comes in the box right here. This is the back of the box right here. So what side of the box? The other side of the box. Alrighty. You know what's cool about this thing? Is that it's kind of like a Swiss Army. It's got this thing. I don't know what that's for. I think it's a screwdriver. Discover more essentials at Anker.com. I don't know if Anker knows this, but I've been getting a lot of their products for a lot of time now. A long time now. So, Anker, holler at your boy. Alright. This is what we got in here. This is what it comes with. This is insurance thing because my cord's messed up. They stopped working, so I gave Anker a call and they send these out, and I was able to keep my old cords. Okay, that's it, right? It's a 3D effect. Remember 3D? 3D movies. So each one of these comes with this. Comes with the Anker little strap thing on it. I'm guessing this is the shorter one. You know what? I probably have to give that box back. Yeah. Alright. First, let me take a selfie. See, happy. Pretty happy. Oh wait. So it comes with one feet or 1 foot cord, and that cord is like perfect for when you're charging up like battery packs or stuff that takes a lot of juice. That one is like the best one for that one. These do support fast charge. At least on the Nexus 6 it does. So, just the 1 foot right here. Here's the other one foot. And then, so these ones are the 3 foot, I'm guessing. Comes with the same Anker little sticker thingy. There's 2 of these. Wait, I think it's 3 of these. Yeah, 3 of these. I should probably have the box right here so I can look at it. So, it's 3 of these, and then it comes with one 6 foot. So, let me tell you, this 6 foot one is really good to have. This is the longest one you're gonna have. You know, they say the more longer the cord is, the more power it takes, but if you charge stuff up with the Anker battery pack or like an Anker product and you use this one, it really doesn't matter because it has turbo boosting in it. But anyways, we'll pause. You pause, Chris. Pause. Let's get to the B-roll. And then we'll open them up later. This is really my stand-up on it though. There. Alright. Let's go shoot some B-roll.